Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove Google Assistant from home button on Samsung M35 device. Well, understanding how to remove Google Assistant from the home button gives you the flexibility to customize the device according to your preferences. Whether you prefer a different assistant, a specific app shortcut, or a simple home button function, knowing how to remove Google Assistant allows you to tailor the device to your liking. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, enter to the settings menu on your device. Okay, once there, locate and tap on the display option. And in the display settings, scroll down and find the navigation bar section. Okay, select this option to proceed. And finally, to disable Google Assistant from being activated by the home button, simply turn off this feature. This will effectively prevent Google Assistant from launching when you press the home button. By removing Google Assistant from the home button, you can prevent unintentional triggers of the assistant and maintain a smoother user experience. Well, that's the tutorial on how to remove Google Assistant from home button on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.